everyone. We are here now to discuss about the introduction of the book 2, which is the regular polyhedrons. Are you ready to learn? So let's start. Regular polygons. A polyhedron is a geometric solid whose boundary consists of plane polygons. And a convex polyhedron. A polyhedron is a convex if every section of it is made by a plane. Then the parts of the polyhedrons are the faces, the edges, and the vertices. For example, this is an example of a polyhedron. And its faces is this portion here. Because a faces is the one that bounded the polyhedron. This portion here is bounded the entire polyhedron, so this is what we call the faces. The next is the edges. The edges are the sides of its faces. This is what we call the edges because this is the side of the faces. Then next is the vertices. This, and this are the vertices. A vertices are the points which the edges meet. So this is the faces, the edges, and these are the vertices. Then a surface of a polyhedron. The faces, edges, and vertices taken together from the surface of a polyhedron. So this is what we call the surface of the polyhedron because the faces, the edges, and the vertices are taken together. And also the polyhedron are classified according to the number of their faces. So there are 5 platonic polyhedron. The tetrahedron, this is what we call the tetrahedron. The hexahedron, which is the cube form. The octahedron, which is this. The dodecahedron, which is this. And the icosahedron, which is this. So regular polyhedrons is a polyhedral angles that are equal and whose bases are equals. So all of these polyhedrons, all these 5 platonic polyhedrons, all its bases are equal and also their angles. So a regular polyhedron is a regular polygon. Since that a regular polygon has this, all sides are congruent, then the regular polyhedrons are also all sides are congruent. So now that you know about these platonic figures, let's now explain, or my partner will now discuss about its definition of these polyhedrons. According to Greek philosopher Plato, tetrahedron represents fire, hexahedron represents earth, octahedron represents air, dodecahedron represents water, and the last icosahedron represents heavenly sphere. Regular polyhedrons. According to Theorem 1, there are exactly 5 regular polyhedrons. And these 5 regular polyhedron was named after the Greek philosopher Plato, or it is called the Platonic solids. The Platonic solids are the tetrahedron, hexahedron, octahedron, dodecahedron, and icosahedron. First thing we should do, we will discuss about tetrahedron. Tetrahedron is a triangular pyramid. It is polyhedron with congruent triangular faces. Tetrahedron have 4 faces, 4 vertices, and 6 edges. The second is the hexahedron, or it is a cube. A regular polyhedron where the faces are 6 and equal faces. Hexahedron has 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. The third regular polyhedron is the octahedron, one of the regular polyhedron where the faces are 8 equilateral triangles. Octahedron has 6 vertices, 12 edges, and 8 faces. So here, the 8 faces, the 6 vertices, and the 12 edges. Dodecahedron. Dodecahedron is one of the 5 regular polyhedron which faces is a regular pentagon. So here is the example of a dodecahedron. Dodecahedron has 20 vertices, 30 edges, and 12 faces. So the last regular polyhedron that we need to discuss is about the icosahedron. Icosahedron is a regular polyhedron which the faces are equilateral triangles. So here, the icosahedron has 12 vertices, 30 edges, and 20 faces. So these are the 5 platonic solids or the regular polyhedron. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something. God bless.
Waiting for your call, I'm sick, call, I'm angry, call, I'm desperate for your voice.